Welcome to the 3D Print Factory's first 3D printer review. Today we're going to review the XYZ Printing Davinci 1.0. It is actually a machine I've been using for about 3 weeks now and has served me well. And I just wanted to do a quick review first of all on the software and also on the machine itself. Now, I've heard some negative reviews on it and I don't think they're really justified. If you take it for what it's worth, I think it's a great machine if you want something that's plug and play. If you want to be able to hack your machine and do much more than what someone who would want a plug-and-play machine for, then maybe this might not be for you. But in this case here, let's take a look at it, okay? Alright, first off, as you can see, it's in an enclosed box. Let's take a look at the machine itself. It has the heated print bed inside, the nozzle off to the right, and as you can see also it's on rails. They actually work really well. One of the features I've noticed that is really convenient, which they added to this, I find, is this automatic nozzle cleaning tray that they have here. Basically what it does is before it'll start up or after, it will actually make a little move here to clean the nozzle. If you can see here, it's a little plastic and metal tip that cleans off the nozzle. Although I will say it doesn't always get everything off. I recommend using the brush that comes with it. They do send you a metal brush that comes with it. And as a practice, I usually will clean that off before the print and also after a print. Because it just tends to have a little bit of filament still oozing out of it, either before or after. Not always, but probably about 25% of the time. So just as a standard practice, it's good to brush the nozzle there to make sure you don't have any debris to affect your print. So another thing I like about it, again, it's a heated bed. It does really well in making sure that everything sticks. And one of the things that you'll notice here, you see this little strip here? Every time it starts a print, it will first print. Sorry about that, gotta press the home button to turn the light back on. Anyways, it will do a straight line back and forth as I suppose it's testing the filament and making sure that everything's going. And it kind of helps you because if it's going to make an error in printing, it's probably going to show up right here. And what I mean by that is there's been times when, if you notice, first of all, this print right now, even though it's just a little test print line, initially it stuck to the plate really well. When you put glue, I do recommend using the glue stick that they send to you. And if it's sticking right, and if it's printing right, something like this will come out of the machine before it even begins on your print. As you can see, I normally have my prints centered, so it will, regardless, make this line here just to test out the print nozzle